If you want to grow your e-commerce business faster, outperform your competition, and increase your profits, you need Helium 10. Trusted by over 2 million entrepreneurs, Helium 10 is the best software available for Amazon and Walmart sellers. And as a seller myself, I can tell you firsthand that Helium 10 delivers serious results. And it all starts with incredibly accurate data. In fact, Helium 10 processes over 2 billion data points daily to help you understand the market, identify new opportunities, and get the actionable insights you need to manage your own winning listings. Plus, with over 30 tools in its powerful software suite, Helium 10 has the perfect solution for whatever your business demands. Need help finding and validating your next Amazon product? Use the product research tools to help get you started. You want listings that are set up for SEO success? Our keyword research and listing optimization tools can help you with that. And not only does Helium 10 have analytics software to monitor your performance, but it also has PPC solutions to boost traffic to your listings and operations tools to keep your business running smoothly. Helium 10 is more than just software. With Helium 10, you're going to enjoy regular expert training sessions, industry-leading webinars, and exclusive networking opportunities to keep you on the cutting edge. So, are you ready to scale your business faster, outclass your competition, and increase your profits? Then it's time you join Helium 10 today.